Hello students, welcome to my next video, Business Research Methods, MCQs with Answer, Part 5. I, Dr. Rondevale, welcome you all. Today we will try to solve question number 101 to 125. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will start with first question. Observations made in natural occurrence with no guidance of the researcher is called as. The options are uncontrolled observations, direct observation, participant observation, non-controlled observation. You can pause the video and you can think of the answer and we will check this answer in my next slide. So the correct answer is observations made in natural occurrence with no guidance of the researcher is called as non-controlled observations. Next question. In this type of observation, the physical presence of observer is not involved is known as indirect observation, direct observation, participant observation and non-controlled observation. The correct answer is in this type of observation, the physical presence of the observer is not involved is known as indirect observation. Next question. Decision about target group is taken at dash stage, whether it is sample design and selection, data analysis, reporting, or none of the above. The correct answer is decision about target group is taken at sample design and selection stage. Moving on, whenever it is difficult to extract the information directly from the respondent, then indirect methods like dash are used. The options are active techniques, Delphi technique, secondary source or projective technique. And the correct answer is projective techniques. So whenever it is difficult to extract the information directly from the respondents, then indirect method like projective techniques can be used. Moving on, Dash intends to study the section of population only for the particular time. The options are analytical study, internal study, cross-sectional studies, and all of the above. The correct answer is cross-sectional studies intends to study the section of the population only for the particular time. Next question. Longitudinal data are also called as dash. The options are latitudinal studies, short-term studies, time series data, or all of the above. The correct answer is longitudinal data are also called as time series data. Moving on, the first stage of research design starts with meaning, problem identification, problem definition, and all of the above. The correct answer is problem identification. The first stage of the research design starts with problem identification. Moving on, research design should be dash adaptable to change, flexible, both A and B, that is adaptable to change and flexible as well, and none of the above. And the correct answer is research design should be both, that is research design should be adaptable to change and also it should be flexible. Next question. Data used by an agency which originally collected them are called as primary data, raw data, secondary data, or group data. And the correct answer is data used by an agency which is originally collected them. Such type of data is called as primary data. Next question. A survey in which information is collected from each and every individual of the population is known as sample survey, pilot survey, bias survey, or census survey. And the correct answer is a survey in which information is collected from each and every individual of the population is known as census survey. Next question. The data which have undergone any treatment previously is called as primary data, secondary data, symmetric data, or skewed data. And the correct answer is secondary data. The data which is undergone any treatment previously is called as secondary data. Next question. Listing of the data in the form in which these are collected are known as secondary data, raw data, arrayed data, or qualitative data. The correct answer is raw data. So listing of the data in the form in which these are collected are known as raw data. Next question. A part of the population selected for the study is called as whether it is variable, data, sample, or parameter. The correct answer is sample. A part of the population selected for the study is known as sample study. Next question. A set of all units of interest in a study is called as the options are sample, population, parameters, or statistic. The correct answer is population. A set of all units of interest in a study is called as population. Moving on, when the variable studied can be reported numerically, the variable is known as whether it is a quantitative, qualitative, dependent, or independent variable. The correct answer is, as the word here is numerically, so it is quantitative variable. So when the variable studied can be reported numerically, the variable is called as quantitative variable. Next question, when the characteristics being studied is non-numeric, it is called as it is non-numeric, it will be a qualitative variable definitely. But we will see the answer. Yes, it is qualitative variable. So when the characteristics being studied is non-numeric, it is called as a qualitative variable. Next question, preliminary data collected is a part of descriptive research, exploratory research, applied research, or explanatory research. And the correct answer is preliminary data collection is a part of exploratory research. Next question, a literature review is based on the assumption that, and the options are copy from the work of others, knowledge accumulates and learns from the work of others, knowledge disaccumulates, and none of the above. So the correct answer is a literature review is based on the assumption that knowledge accumulates and learns from the work of the other researchers. Next question, a literature review requires dash. The options are planning, good and clear writing, lot of rewriting, and all of above. And the correct answer is a literature review requires all of the above. That is, it requires planning, lot of rewriting, and good and clear writing. Next question, hypothesis refers to dash. And the options are whether hypothesis is the outcome of an experiment or a conclusion drawn from an experiment or form of bias in which the subject tries to outguess the experiment or it is a tentative statement about the relationship. So very simple, hypothesis refers to a tentative statement about the relationship. Next question, the researcher must be concerned about the following problems while using secondary data in research. The options are reliability, validity, both of these and none of these. And the correct answer is yes. The researcher must be concerned about the following problems while using the secondary data in research, and those problems are data reliability and data validity. So both of these is the correct answer. Moving on, dash are errors that can be attributed to sources other than sampling, and they can be random or non-random. So which are the errors? The options are random sampling error, non-response error, non-sampling error, and response error. And the correct answer is non-sampling error. So non-sampling errors are those errors that can be attributed to sources other than sampling, and they can be random or non-random. Next question. A specific characteristics of a population is called as statistics, parameter, variable, or sample? And the correct answer is parameter. A specific characteristics of a population is called as parameter. Next question. A specific characteristics of a sample is called as variable, constant, parameter, or statistics. And the correct answer is a specific characteristics of a sample is called as statistics. The data obtained by conducting a survey is called as primary data, secondary data, continuous data, or qualitative data. So very simple question. So data obtained by conducting a survey is primary data. Next question. What is next? In my next video, we will understand business research methods MCQs part number 6, where we will try to solve the questions 126 to 150. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. And I wish you best of luck for your examination. Thank you. These are various references I have used for creating this video.